Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Autumn is here, and with it comes one of nature's most spectacular shows, the changing of the leaves. Have you ever wondered why those vibrant green leaves turn into a breathtaking canvas of red, orange, and yellow? It's not just magic, it's some seriously cool science. So grab your pumpkin spice latte, get cozy, and let's dive into the amazing world of autumn leaves. First off, let's talk about why leaves are green in the first place. Inside each leaf are tiny little factories called chloroplasts, and they are packed with a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the superstar of the plant world. Its job is to absorb sunlight and use that energy to turn water and carbon dioxide into sugar. This process, which you might remember from science class, is called photosynthesis. It's basically how plants make their own food to grow and thrive throughout the spring and summer. So, chlorophyll is the reason leaves are green. But here is a little secret. Those beautiful yellow and orange colors are actually there all year round. They're just hidden. These colors come from other pigments, like carotenoids. Yes, the same stuff that makes carrots orange and corn yellow. These pigments are always present in the leaves, but they're completely masked by the massive amount of green chlorophyll. It's like they're waiting backstage for their big moment to shine. So, what signals their grand entrance? It all comes down to sunlight and temperature. As summer ends and autumn begins, the days get shorter and the nights get cooler. This is a signal for the trees to start preparing for winter. Winter is a tough time for trees. There's less sunlight for photosynthesis, and water can freeze, making it hard to get. So, the trees decide it's time to shut down their food-making factories and conserve energy. They begin to break down the chlorophyll, and as that green pigment fades away, the yellow and orange carotenoids that were there all along are finally revealed. It's like a beautiful unveiling, showing the leaf's true colors that were hidden underneath. But wait! What about the brilliant reds and purples? Those are a different story. These stunning colors come from pigments called anthocyanins. Unlike the yellows and oranges, anthocyanins are not always present in the leaves. They're produced in the autumn, specifically in response to bright light and cool temperatures. As the tree gets ready for winter, it creates a special layer of cells at the base of each leaf stem. This layer traps sugars inside the leaf. When these trapped sugars are exposed to lots of sunlight, they react and produce those vibrant red and purple anthocyanins. This is why you see the most spectacular fall colors on bright sunny autumn days after a series of cool, but not freezing, nights. A cloudy, rainy autumn might result in more yellows and browns, while a sunny one will give us those fiery reds. The type of tree also matters. Oaks tend to turn brown or reddish-brown, while maples are famous for their brilliant reds and oranges. Aspens and birches, on the other hand, light up the landscape with their golden yellow leaves. Eventually, that layer of cells at the base of the leaf stem completely cuts off the leaf from the tree's water and nutrient supply. The leaf dries up, dies, and falls to the ground. But this isn't a sad ending. These fallen leaves are incredibly important. As they decompose, they return vital nutrients to the soil, too, which will help the tree and other plants grow strong again next spring. It's a beautiful, essential part of nature's cycle. So next time you're out for a walk, marveling at the incredible autumn colors, you'll know exactly what's going on. It's a complex and beautiful process of trees preparing for winter, revealing hidden pigments, and even creating new ones for a final, spectacular display. Nature really is the best artist, isn't it? Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you learned something new and have a newfound appreciation for the science behind the season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of our world. Let me know in the comments what your favorite fall color is. See you in the next one!